Hi everyone, I'm Alex Neil from the Lawn Hairdressing Singapore. Here with me is Kelly. From the beginning, I'm going to use TAMEFRIZZ Shampoo, and now I'm going to use the Detangling MOISTREPAIR Leave-In Conditioner. Quick Blow Dry THERMASHAPE Anti-Breakage. So I'm going to start out with a base Dusky Blonde. You can see when I go on layers by layers. And I'm going to finalize with the gold color. Only the top area I'm going to use the Brushed Gold. Thank you. Hope you like it.